yourself and us if you're the Christ. And then the other turned to Jesus and made this humble plea: Lord, when you come into your kingdom, please remember me. And then he passed from death to life and woke up in paradise, dressed in a robe of white, washed in that cleansing flood, and sang a song no angel sings. Thank God I've been redeemed. I'm safe with every sin beneath the shelter of his blood. Now I won't have to worry when death comes calling me, 'cause I trust the Son and what he's done for me on Calvary. Now his Spirit lives within me, and with his blood applied, I'll have no fear, 'cause he'll be near when I cross old Jordan's tide. 'Cause then I'll pass